Hi, welcome to English. Here is the third conditional. First, the structure. We have if plus the past perfect in our if clause. And over on the result side, we have would or could or might plus the present perfect. Use this conditional for reviewing the past. For example, if it had rained today, I would, or I could, or I might have stayed at home. But hey, the sun shone all day and it didn't rain. We also use this conditional to give blame. If you had given me the information earlier, I would, or I could, or I might have finished my report on time. And that is the third conditional.